Meaning of epistemology.
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 Epistemology. Epistemology is the study of knowledge and belief, and how we can acquire and justify them. It is concerned with questions such as, what is knowledge? How do we know that something is true? Which sources of information are reliable? Epistemologists analyze arguments and evidence, and explore how we form beliefs and make judgments. They also investigate the nature of truth and the structure of justification. Ultimately, epistemology seeks to understand how we can distinguish justified beliefs from unjustified ones, and how we can be confident in what we claim to know.